Hello, welcome back to the Dystopian Man with me, TDM. Get your ledger in the description, and you can also donate to the channel when we do this full time. Please like and subscribe, it is free, so you'll be helping me out a lot, helping the channel out a lot, and why not? So, what I want to get into today is this. XRP skyrockets 109% in volume, 415% triggers epic Shib trillionaire awakening, 200,000 for Bitcoin reality now, and crypto news digest by You Today. So this is obviously from You Today. So I want to get into this here. So XRP skyrockets 109% in volume as price hits 70% details. The reason why I'm going to keep covering XRP on this channel, I've been holding XRP for years, right? And I keep saying it, and I'm going to keep saying it on every single video, so until it gets into people's heads. It's not financial advice, but is XRP going to be worth more before the lawsuit or after the lawsuit? When you look at everything that's happening with BRICS, and we know what the BRICS currency is more likely going to look like now. Think about that. We know what the BRICS currency is actually going to look like. There's a whole new financial system on its way. A whole brand new financial system on its way. And what is going to link those two systems? It's going to have to be something that's decentralized or trusted. And that's not going to be Swift. So let's get into this. So according to the on-chain data yesterday, XRP witnessed a trading volume increase of 109%, reaching 802 billion or 12.6 billion XRP within 1 day. XRP's price rose from lows of 59.6 to a peak of 70 cents, making a significant daily candlestick. The asset started its recovery on the 9th of November when its price was slowly growing from 54 cents. The rise in XRP's price and trading activity seems to be connected to a general upwards trend on the crypto market, as Bitcoin has recently reached new record highs, boosting overall investor confidence. At the moment of writing, XRP is changing hands at 68 cents, up 4.42% over the past 24 hours. Per coin market cap. If the asset returns to the price level of 70 cents and manages to maintain it, it may pave the way for additional gains in the near future. Definitely. One thing that I think XRP under $1 is a steal, in my opinion. I think we should, if the lawsuit wasn't here, we would easily be over $1. Easily. And to me, it's such a simple trade because we know now that Trump's in office. The first thing he said he's going to do is get rid of Gary Gensler, and somebody that is favorable to crypto is going to be in Gary Gensler's spot at the SEC. That's huge. That's so big. Like, I don't think people are actually getting that. Like they understand it, but they're not digesting how big that actually is. Right, when all of these things come into play here, with all the macroeconomics and everything as well that's building up around it, with the interest rates coming down, and that's looking to happen for hopefully quite a while. Everything for XRP is just setting itself up. And if Ripple ever go IPO, we've still got all that to come. We've literally still got all that to come. So let's move on to Shib news. So 415 profit taking triggers epic Shib Inu trillionaire awakening. As reported by Spot on Chain, an early Shiba Inu investor known by the wallet address there has returned to the market after 8 months of inactivity. The investor has sold a significant portion of their holdings, transferring 100 billion tokens valued approximately 2.81 million to the Gemini exchange. Even after this impressive transfer, the wallet still retains 2.5 trillion SHIB tokens worth around 73 million. The investor has made total profits of around 120 million from their SHIB holdings, representing a return of 415%. The reactivation of this wallet coincides with a recent increase in the price of SHIB since early November. The Shiba Inu token has risen by 61%, reaching its highest level in several months and approaching a significant resistance point at 0.000003. Currently, SHIB is trading at, as you can see on the screen, up 0.34% over the past 24 hours. I Really regret I didn't get into Shiba Inu when I had the chance to. And I remember somebody telling me as well, like, oh yeah, there's this new coin out, Shib, and it literally when it had first come out, and I just says, I ain't getting into no dog token. And Shib, the ecosystem, they're trying to build one. Seems that they're trying to burn as many tokens as they can, so it can hit cent. And if it ever does, it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. So that was the SHIB news. So 2004 Bitcoin BTC a reality now. So as Bitcoin's value continues to rise, technical indicators and the asset price action suggest that it could reach a peak of 200,000. Recent gains have created a sense of optimism, with key charts showing the goal might be achievable. Per the Bitcoin Rainbow chart, BTC is currently in a favorable hodl zone, encouraging investors to hold rather than sell. Additionally, the 2-year MA multiplier chart suggests that Bitcoin surpasses a specific trend line. It could achieve the 200,000 mark, which had historically been the highest point in previous bull markets. In general, the strong positive sentiment, along with breaking past resistant levels and higher trading volume, suggests a bright future for Bitcoin in the coming months, assuming that macroeconomic conditions continue to favor the cryptocurrency sector. Let me know what you think in the description in regards to BTC hitting 200,000. I always think people, I think it will happen, but we've got a long way for that yet. Like, I don't think it's going to happen like next year or anything. Like, the whole market's going to have to double in price over that. So when we talk about these things, it's like I was just talking about. I think is it like earlier. Oh, XRP to 1,000. We're at 70 cents. We're at 70 cents. XRP to 1,000. That would sound ridiculous when we was at $100. I don't think it's going to that. I don't think it's going to that. I'm not of that camp. I would say $5 to $10. Hopefully, you know, my price points are pretty low. So even if I'm selling at like $3, I'm at a 10x. So I'm nice. So, but I think people just need to really not listen to a lot of this sort of stuff. And the reason why I bring you this sort of stuff is so I can commentate on it and tell you about a lot of this sort of stuff, like 200,000 for Bitcoin. Like, I think it's going to be millions, but it's not. But when they turn around and say it's going to be 200,000, they don't give you a price point. I think it's going to be millions by maybe 2035. Right? You know what I'm saying? That's when I think Bitcoin is probably going to be worth millions. But when they're saying 200,000 for Bitcoin in new reality, well, when? Yeah. So anyway, let me know what you'd like me to cover. Like and subscribe. Like I say, leave a thumbs up. Doesn't hurt at all. And donations in the chat, please. And thank you very much. TDM out.